Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable automatic updates on iPhone, system setup step by step clearly. Unlock your iPhone and make sure you are on the home screen. Open the Settings app from your home screen. Scroll down and tap General. In General, tap Software Update. Wait a moment while your iPhone checks for update settings. Tap Automatic Updates to open the Automatic Update options. Turn on iOS updates if it is currently turned off. Turn on Download iOS updates to allow the phone to download updates automatically. Turn on Install iOS updates to allow the phone to install updates automatically. If asked, enter your iPhone passcode to confirm the change. Go back one screen to return to Software Update. Check that Automatic Updates now shows as enabled. For smoother downloads, connect your iPhone to a reliable Wi-Fi network. To do this, go back to Settings and tap Wi-Fi. Choose your preferred Wi-Fi network and connect if you are not connected. Return to Settings and tap Battery. Turn on low power mode only if you need it, because it can delay background activity. Go back and tap General again. Tap Background App Refresh and ensure it is enabled for stable system tasks. Go back to Settings and tap App Store. Under Automatic Downloads, turn on App Updates to update apps automatically too. Also turn on Automatic Downloads for apps if you want new purchases to download automatically. If you use mobile data, tap Cellular Data and decide whether to allow automatic downloads. For best results, keep your iPhone plugged in overnight for installations. Make sure your iPhone has enough free storage for updates by checking Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Delete unused apps or media if storage is low to prevent update failures. Return to Software Update and confirm your iPhone is ready for the next update. Leave your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi and power so updates can install when scheduled. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.